Hi, my name is Jess T. Nettleton, and I am using this video for professional development. This is a screencasting video. A screencast is a video recording of a computer screen, which you are seeing right now. So I'm screencasting, no talking behind me. It's an easy way to model and share lessons with your student learners and with your colleagues. I have gone through a few different ones. I chose three of the top ones: Screencastify, Screencast-O-Matic, and Loom. Zoom isn't one of these, so it just happens to be on this slide. And a lot of us are used to using Zoom, especially since COVID. With Loom, it's unlimited, the free version. Screencastify, you have up to 30 minutes. It used to be 5 minutes. That may have changed. So as far as I understand, my students only have 5 minutes, so it depends on the program they're on. Screencast-O-Matic used to be only 30 minutes unless you purchased an upgrade, and now apparently it's unlimited, so there's a little competition going on there. I chose Screencast-O-Matic for this program and for this professional development because I am used to using Screencast-O-Matic. At the time, I chose to use that because it offered me more options than I found with Screencastify. However, Screencastify happens to be what my students have been using at the school that I'm at. And so you may find that your school has chosen Screencast-O-Matic versus Screencastify, and you just need to see which program your school is actually using. I'm going to go ahead and move on here. Screencastify, you'll see there's a link. There's also a video here for you to see how to use it, but there's also this link here for the site itself. I'm going to move this up just a little bit. I can do this with Screencast-O-Matic. You will see up here this little widget. There's another one here. This one is for Screencastify. This is what my students see on their Chromebooks. This is Loom. Now, as far as Screencast-O-Matic, it's a program of its own, and you download it onto your computer from the website. And let's see if I can get this down here. You will see that little blue circle with the blue dot. There are two because I need to delete one of those. I have two. I don't need both. But what I like about Screencast-O-Matic is I can move that screen around and you get to see what I want you to see, not the whole page. And with Loom, it looked like I had to show you the whole page unless I went to the slide presentation, and then you can see the whole slide presentation. I believe you can do that with this. In fact, I'm going to see if I can do that with you. See how that works. I do believe you are seeing the whole presentation at this point. Now I will escape from there because I would rather you be able to work this a different way, but I wanted to see how that worked and see if it would work for you also, so you know that it does work. Again, Screencastify used to be 5 minutes. It's now 30 minutes. Also, Screencastify is popular with educators in several ways. They can create instructional videos, and they're engaging, can be step-by-step instructional videos for their students. It has been found that students that watch the videos first and then you do a lesson later, they tend to absorb more and understand more and learn better and quicker. Recording lectures. Screencastify can be used to record lectures and share them with students who may have missed a class or need to review material. Providing feedback. Screencastify allows educators to provide visual and audio feedback on students' work, which can be more effective than written feedback alone. And I found this as a college student with my graduate work. When a professor used Screencast-O-Matic to get back with me, it was very helpful to see what she thought I should change on my papers or my essay. It is an integration with Google Drive. It allows educators to easily store and share their recordings with their students, so it's easy to add the videos that you have done to your Google Drive should you choose to do so. Now, Screencast-O-Matic, and you will know on all these slides I give you links in order to learn how to use these different programs. I will not spend a whole lot of time doing that because I only have 6 to 10 minutes to get this accomplished, and so I will let you move into the next level here. You may look at all these different videos and choose which program you prefer. Everybody has their own preferences. Again, I like Screencast-O-Matic. Screencast-O-Matic, as you saw before, you have about 30 unlimited now opportunity for video length, and I never know how long my videos need to be, so it's great to just have that option. With Screencast-O-Matic, you can also create and share your instructional videos. Just like with Screencastify, your recording features, educators can use Screencast-O-Matic to record their lectures and share them with students who may have missed a class or two, just like Screencastify. Providing feedback allows educators to provide visual and audio feedback to students' work, which is more effective than writing. I don't tend to use it a lot because students have to choose to watch the videos, but as a college student, it was very helpful for me to have Screencast-O-Matic between myself and my professor, and the professor could give me feedback. Accessibility, Screencast-O-Matic provides a closed captioning option, making it a visible tool for educators who want to make their content accessible to a wider audience. Overall, Screencast-O-Matic can be a valuable tool for educators looking to create engaging and accessible educational content for their students. As you can see, I just used my slide presentation, and then I just go through that as I'm speaking. You can see me speaking, and you can listen to the audio, and you can click on any of these slides later on when I actually upload this for you to have the opportunity to take these slides and check them out for yourself and check out each of the videos. Then we also have Loom. I kind of like Loom. I just haven't really been able to use it effectively at this point, so I kind of tell my teachers to try Screencast-O-Matic versus Loom. However, I'd like to share this with you because it does share a little bit of information about Loom, and I thought was rather interesting.
Hey there, my name is Allie. I'm part of the customer education team at Loom, and I'm here to help you get started recording, editing, and sharing quick videos using Loom. First things first, your first recording. Today I'll show you Loom's desktop app, which you can use to take advantage of drawing tools, HD recordings, and custom recording dimensions. This makes it perfect for recording presentations from any app or window of your desktop. You can also use Loom's Chrome extension for integrations with Gmail, Zendesk, Slack, and more. It's handy for sharing recordings straight from Chrome. For recordings on the go, you'll want to download our mobile app on iOS. When you first open your desktop app, you'll see a few different capture options. The first is Screen plus Camera, my current recording mode. You can see my screen here, as well as my video in the bottom corner. You can also choose to record with screen only if you only want to share your screen, or cam only to only share your face. If you go into Preferences, you'll see that there are a few other options that you can toggle on and off, like Use System Audio or Highlight Mouse Clicks. You can also change your keyboard shortcuts here. Once you're ready to record, you'll be prompted by a countdown to give you a moment to gather your thoughts before the recording begins. Once you've started recording, you'll want to be aware of the recording buttons to the left of your screen. If you want to quickly restart your recording and have your countdown begin again, you can hit the Restart button. If you need a moment to gather your thoughts, but you don't want to lose what you've already recorded, hit the Pause button and resume when you're ready. Lastly, if you decide that you want to totally scrap what you've recorded, hit the Cancel button. You can also use the drawing tool to highlight certain parts of your screen. Once you're ready to stop recording, hit the Stop button, which will finish your recording and take you to your video share page so you can edit and share your video. Thanks for watching and happy recording.
So now that we're back to recording, I wanted you to see that we can also do artwork on our screen with Screencast-O-Matic, just as you can with Loom. And I will move on to the next slide here so you can see what else we are doing, because I'm running out of time here and I need to move on. And for some reason, I need to exit drawing. There we go. Are we having fun yet? All right, now, this was a slide I thought was rather interesting. There we go. Screencastify versus Loom. Now, you know, he didn't even discuss Screencast-O-Matic, but I feel that Screencastify and Screencast-O-Matic are there's quite a bit that is similar for both of those. Then you have your Zoom over here. You will see this 3 to 5 minute video limit on Screencastify. Again, I think that depends. Whereas the limit says 45 minutes here, though I have seen that it also says unlimited. So you may need to check each of these sites out just to verify. You can save files to Google Drive. You store them here on the Loom site. You also, with Screencast-O-Matic, you save it on the Screencast-O-Matic site, but you can save it for YouTube and on your Google Drive also. You may record offline. You can put videos in other sites with multi-click process here. There are different things that may be a benefit to you all. You can take the opportunity out to look at this slide to help yourself. This slide was actually done by Jake. Yeah, I think his name is over here somewhere. You can't even see his picture because I'm there. Jake Miller, and that information will be in the reference slide. I believe I meant the reference slide. So we are great. We are to that point where I can actually bring this to a stop. Take some time out and look at these slides. Click on the links that are made available to you so you can make a decision on what you like best. I highly suggest you try each and every one of them and find out from that point which one works best for you. I did find when I was using the Screencast-O-Matic for my master's degree course that I actually paid for the extra upgrade for that program. It wasn't very expensive, but I did pay for that. In fact, I have here pricing plans for Screencastify, for Loom, and then there was, let me see if I can find it for, I don't think I have it up here for, I thought, there we go. For Screencast-O-Matic, it was $48 for the year, or for the Premier, $34.90 for the year. I tend to buy the best plan I can get my hands on because I want everything I can get, every anyways, have a great day.